Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we are checking out how you can activate and use the new virtual keyboard on your MetaQuest 3. You're going to want to go to your settings menu and you're going to scroll down to experimental. Scroll down on there until you see Surface Keyboard. Activate that. It's going to prompt you to switch to hand tracking. You can double click your controllers or just set them down to the side and you will switch to hand tracking here. You're going to be prompted to place your hands on a flat surface. This is where your keyboard is going to be, so you're going to want to make sure that you are in a comfortable position there at your desk. And there you go, you can see your new keyboard. If you've done this before, you're not going to get the tutorial, but if this is your first time, you are going to see the tutorial. And not only are you going to see the virtual keyboard, but it's going to teach you how to use the virtual trackpad as well. This is just like a laptop trackpad. You can use your finger to now scroll a cursor around the screen. Press down once to select, and you can scroll with two fingers, which I will show you later. You can change between this keyboard and your other keyboard, the regular one, in the quick guide there. That allows you to do that, and then it's going to allow you to do some test typing as well. Now back in the keyboard settings, that's in devices, that's where you're going to find all these Surface keyboard settings. There are a few things that you can change, and you can change some of the touchpad settings as well here for cursor size, tracking speed, invert, scroll direction, all that fun stuff. Now let's show you how to use it here on the browser. I'm just going to go to my website, show you one of my favorite pages that I recently made on my website. This is truenorthvr.com. Typing went pretty smoothly there, just missed that period. Now on here, I'm going to go to my MetaQuest game and app sales tracker. Easily just tap, it'll take me to that page, and now I can use the two fingers to scroll easily down and see what deal. So check that page out. Let's also go through and do a typing speed test just to see how it goes. I am going to speed this up a little bit here in just a minute, but I wanted to show you how things are going. I ended up getting about 73 words per minute with 94% accuracy. Normally with a normal keyboard I get between 90 and 100 words per minute, or just over 100 words per minute. So it did drop a little bit, but I was still really impressed with what I was able to do on a virtual keyboard. The thing that I found almost, I guess a little bit frustrating, or that threw me off a little bit, is you always kind of search for the little marks on the F and the J. There aren't those physical marks on a virtual keyboard, so that kind of threw off the accuracy a little bit. I did have to look down every once in a while to reset my fingers in the right spots, but I'm impressed with how it's working so far. Go check it out, and go check out that sales page on my website as well to get the best deals on MetaQuest games. Thank you for watching this one. Let me know if you have any questions. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.